Hello everyone, today we are working on the reinforced snake knot, and I'm going to show you a trick that not many people know. If you have ever tied a reinforced snake knot, you probably know the popular Tibetan turn-around method, which works great. But I'm also going to show you a variation that requires absolutely no turning, making it even faster. I want to see both methods are super easy, beginner friendly, and create a beautiful uniform knot. Let's get started. The first method I'm going to show you is the classic turning around method. I'm going to use the blue and orange colors so you can easily see where each cord goes. First, you use your thumb to press the location where you want to start the snake knot. Then you use the blue cord to wrap around your thumb to make a loop. Then you use the orange cord wrap around your index finger and pass through the loop. Then you pull the blue cord and lock the loop like this. Then you turn it around. Now you see the loop becomes orange and the blue cord is on the top. Then you use the blue cord wrap around your index finger and pass through the orange loop this time. Then lock the orange loop like this. Once you turn it around, the loop becomes blue again, just like we did the first knot before. You just need to continue to repeat this step. Just keep in mind, for this method, you always work on the cord on the top. We finished 5 knots so far and both cords are getting short. We probably can do one more knot here. For the last knot, you don't need to do any loop again. You just need to pull both cords to lock the knot. Here you go. We made this beautiful reinforced snake knot. Look at this, how uniform it is. And it is very easy, isn't it? I did a loose pattern to show you how it works, but you certainly can do a tight knot if you want. Now I'm going to show you the second no turning method. The first step is the same as what we did for the first method. You use the blue cord to make a loop, and you use the orange cord to pass through the loop, and then you lock the loop. The next step is important. It is different from the first method. Instead of turning around, you use the blue cord to make another big loop, wrap around your thumb and index finger. Then you pull the blue cord through the orange loop. At the same time, you move your index finger out of the orange loop. Then you actually can tie or lock the orange loop. Next, you use the orange cord to pass through the blue loop and then tie or lock the blue loop. This is the essential step for this method. As you can see, we already made 2 knots here. You just need to continue to repeat this step to make more knots. Finishing step is the same as the first method. No more loop, just lock the knot. Okay, we made another reinforced snake knot. It is also very beautiful and very uniform, as you can see. Once you get to be familiar with this method, it actually can turn faster than the first one. Which one is your favorite? Let me know down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.